Do you want to reverse aging and live a longer, healthier life? Keep watching to discover how intermittent fasting might be your ultimate anti-aging tool. Hi, beautiful people! Welcome back to Health Hacks, your go-to channel for all things about health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of intermittent fasting and why it's rapidly gaining popularity in the health and wellness community. Intermittent fasting has taken the health world by storm. It's more than just a diet fad. Millions are integrating fasting into their lives for incredible health benefits. But what exactly is driving this global phenomenon? It's the power of intermittent fasting to not only shed those extra pounds, but to potentially slow down the aging process itself. We've been conditioned to believe that aging is an inevitable decline. We resign ourselves to wrinkles, decreased energy, and an increased risk of age-related diseases. But what if I told you there's a way to influence how we age? Intermittent fasting is not about deprivation. It's about strategically timing your meals to unlock your body's natural rejuvenation processes. This isn't about chasing unrealistic beauty standards. This is about enhancing your health span, not just your lifespan. It's about feeling vibrant, energetic, and healthy for as long as possible. In the following sections, we'll delve deep into the science behind intermittent fasting and aging. We'll explore different fasting methods, success stories, and practical tips to help you get started. Get ready to discover how this ancient practice might hold the key to unlocking a younger, healthier you. The quest for the fountain of youth has fueled a multi-billion-dollar anti-aging industry. We're bombarded with countless creams, supplements, and treatments promising to turn back the clock. But how many of these actually deliver on their promises? The truth is, most are expensive disappointments. Many of these products focus on masking the external signs of aging. They might temporarily reduce the appearance of wrinkles or age spots, but they fail to address the root cause: cellular aging. Aging is a complex process that occurs at the cellular level. Our cells accumulate damage over time, leading to a decline in their function and ultimately contributing to aging. Intermittent fasting, on the other hand, takes a different approach. It works from the inside out, targeting aging at its source. By activating specific cellular pathways, intermittent fasting promotes repair and renewal, potentially slowing down the aging process. In the next section, we'll explore one of these critical pathways: autophagy. Imagine your cells having their own built-in recycling system. That's essentially what autophagy is. This Nobel Prize-winning discovery is a critical process for cellular cleanup and repair. When you fast, your body activates autophagy. Think of it as your body's way of taking out the trash. During autophagy, your cells break down and recycle damaged components. This includes misfolded proteins, dysfunctional mitochondria, and even invading pathogens. This cellular cleansing has profound implications for aging. By removing these damaged components, autophagy helps to improve cellular function, reduce inflammation, protect against age-related diseases. In essence, autophagy helps to keep your cells young and healthy, potentially slowing down the aging process from within. Intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. There are various methods, each with its own set of rules and benefits. Finding the right fasting schedule for you depends on your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. Let's explore some popular methods. The 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours each day and consuming all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. The 5-2 method. This method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, this method involves alternating between days of eating and fasting. On fasting days, you consume very few calories or nothing at all. It's important to start slowly and gradually increase your fasting duration as your body adapts. Listen to your body and find a method that fits seamlessly into your life. The benefits of intermittent fasting are not just anecdotal. A growing body of scientific evidence supports its potential to combat aging. Studies in animals have shown that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan, improve cognitive function, and protect against age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Human studies have also yielded promising results. Research has linked intermittent fasting to reduced inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, lowered blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. But beyond the science, there are countless real-life success stories. People from all walks of life are experiencing the transformative power of intermittent fasting. They're reporting increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, weight loss, and a renewed sense of vitality. While weight loss is often a welcome side effect, the benefits of intermittent fasting extend far beyond slimming your waistline. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for improving overall health and well-being. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you're allowing it to focus on essential repair and maintenance processes. This can lead to a cascade of positive effects, including reduced inflammation, which is a key driver of aging and disease. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. It can also improve brain health, enhance brain function, protect against cognitive decline, and may even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, by improving blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and insulin sensitivity, intermittent fasting can benefit cardiovascular health. You've learned about the science, the methods, and the success stories. Now, it's time to take charge of your health and unlock your own anti-aging potential with intermittent fasting. Remember, this is not about deprivation, but about making a conscious choice to nourish your body and optimize its natural healing abilities. Ready to embark on your intermittent fasting journey? Start by choosing a fasting method that resonates with you and gradually incorporate it into your routine. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and nourish yourself with nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows. This is not a quick fix, but a sustainable lifestyle change that can lead to profound long-term benefits. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and experience the transformative power of intermittent fasting. While intermittent fasting is generally safe for most people, it's essential to consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, and those on certain medications should seek medical supervision before attempting intermittent fasting. This essay is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as medical advice. Always prioritize your health and safety and seek personalized guidance from a qualified healthcare professional. Intermittent fasting is more than just a weight loss trend. It's a powerful tool that can potentially slow down aging, enhance cellular repair, and improve overall health. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you're activating its innate healing mechanisms and unlocking its potential for longevity. From boosting autophagy to reducing inflammation, the benefits of intermittent fasting are far-reaching. Remember, aging is inevitable, but how we age is largely within our control. Incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle and experience the transformative power of this ancient practice for a healthier, more vibrant you. Share your journey, inspire others, and together, let's unlock a future where age is just a number. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips from Health Hacks. Until next time, stay healthy and youthful.